Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the exciting world of earning money online. If you've been searching for ways to boost your income or even start a new online career, you are in the right place. I'm your host. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 ways to earn money online in 2023. So, let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is freelancing. Whether you are a skilled writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, freelancing offers endless opportunities to showcase your talents and earn money. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients from all around the world. You can set your own rates, work on projects you're passionate about, and enjoy the flexibility of being your own boss. Next up, we have online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking to earn some extra cash during your free time, this is the perfect option for you. Websites like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer various online tasks, such as taking surveys, watching videos, or testing apps. While the pay may not be substantial, it's a convenient way to make some money on the side. Now let's talk about e-commerce and dropshipping. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own online store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify provide user-friendly interfaces to create your store, and with dropshipping, you don't even need to worry about inventory management. Find unique products to sell, market them effectively, and watch your business grow. Coming in at number 4, we have content creation and monetization. If you have a passion for creating videos, writing blogs, or recording podcasts, this is an excellent way to earn money online. Building an audience through platforms like YouTube, blogging websites, or podcast hosting platforms can lead to various monetization opportunities. You can earn through sponsorships, advertising, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own merchandise. Last but certainly not least, we have investing in cryptocurrency. The world of digital currencies has been gaining immense popularity in recent years. Although it comes with risks, investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins can potentially yield substantial returns. However, it's crucial to do thorough research, stay updated on market trends, and only invest what you can afford to lose. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to earn money online in 2023. Whether you choose freelancing, online surveys, e-commerce, content creation, or cryptocurrency investment, the key is to find a method that aligns with your skills and interests. Embrace the digital landscape, explore new opportunities, and take the first steps towards financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy earning!